Allah said, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَهْلِيكُمْ نَارًا وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ. Allah said, O you who have believed, protect yourselves and your families from a fire whose fuel is people and stones. It's a great injustice to our children when we do not cultivate within them a strong belief in Allah and an adherence and knowledge of their religion, which will equip them with a moral compass. That moral compass, brothers and sisters, as we've mentioned in a previous khutbah a long time ago, that moral compass will always guide them back if they go astray. Or at least they will hear that beacon in the distance calling them back. But if you didn't place and plant the seed within them to start with, then there's nothing to go back to. Biggest right that our children have is to offer them not just to meet their material needs, but to meet their spiritual needs, to bring them up in an Islamic manner, and to be a morally exemplary parent before them. Fulfill their rights and fulfill the duty and restore the rights